Stop. Don't speak English without this sentence. Learn this one sentence and use it everywhere. Today's sentence is, I am going. We use I am going when we talk about something we will do soon, or a plan for the future. For example, I am going to school. This means I will go to school. I am going home. I am going to eat. I am going to sleep. I am going to the market. Very good. You are learning fast. I am going to the park. I am going with my friend. I am going to study. I am going to work. I am going outside. Complete this sentence. I am going to. Use this sentence in your daily life. Practice every day to improve your English.